Okay. It is 10:06, so it is time to get started. So welcome to our presentation. My name is Gabby, and I work at Family Service of Santa Monica with the Early Childhood Wellbeing Project. We're also going to be conducting this in English and Spanish, so I'm going to just translate as I share and speak. So bienvenidos a nuestra presentación. Mi nombre es Gaby y yo trabajo con Family Services Santa Mónica, el proyecto de bienestar de niños de temprana edad. Este programa va a estar en inglés y también en español. Okay, entonces, I'm going to switch back to English. So today we're going to be demonstrating how to make a stress ball. What you're going to be needing is balloons, and these should be in your kit. And great, Diana, seeing us. That's awesome. You're going to be needing a bottle or a funnel. We used just a water bottle that we cut the top off of, and flour. Entonces, hoy día vamos a demostrar cómo hacer un globo de estrés. Vas a necesitar harina, unos globos o un globo y una botella cortado, o botella de agua o bebida cortado como este. Okay, I'm going to leave a minute for everyone to kind of get ready and make sure there's no questions. Voy a dejar un minuto para prepararse y estar seguro que no hay preguntas. I'm seeing Sirinya is requesting to be on video, so I'm going to add you for a second and see if there's questions. Oh, we're gone. Okay, never mind.
Oh, there she is. I just added her.
Okay, Sirinya, did you have a question?
No, I don't. How do I go on mute?
Okay, I'm going to remove you from video. Beautiful. Thank you.
I got it.
And then, so we're going to keep everyone off video and audio, and so you can see us better. And if you have a question, you can go ahead and request to share. So vamos a quedar que todos están separados de audio y video, pero si tienes pregunta, puedes puedes preguntar a estar en video y audio. Okay, that's what do we need again? So what you will be needing is balloons. And so if you did pick up a kit, these should be in your kit. We have these leopard print balloons, flour, just about a quarter cup or a half cup, and a bottle, a cut bottle or a funnel. And sometimes you can even use paper to make that funnel. Liv, you have a question, please go ahead if you want to put it in the chat, or you can ask to be on video if it's whatever the question might be. You can go ahead and also put questions in the chat if you think that they're easy to ask. So puedes poner tus preguntas ahí en el chat, en inglés o en español, si tienes cualquier pregunta. Okay. We will pause. McKenna will be attending to the chat a little bit more while I go through my portion, and then we'll be switching off. So if you do have questions, please feel free to ask. So we're going to get started, and McKenna's going to start us off. Entonces vamos a empezar. Si necesitas o si hay pregunta, puedes ponerlo en el chat y nosotros podemos atender al pregunta.
Okay. My name is McKenna Belgard, and I work as the coordinator for the Early Childhood Wellbeing Project with Gabby at Family Service of Santa Monica. So as Gabby said, right now you should have cut the top off of your water bottle. And then we're going to take our water bottle and place the mouth of the pre-cut bottle, so where you'd normally drink out of the bottle, into the opening of our balloon. Okay, y después de ustedes han cortado la botella, vamos a poner la boca de la botella en la abertura del globo. Así, vamos a poner esto aquí, pero no puedo hacerlo por video. Voy a hacerlo y mostrar a ustedes. So it should look like this. You have your balloon connected to your water bottle that you've cut. Okay. Then we are going to take the flour that was provided to you in the little bag in your kit, and we are going to put the flour into our water bottle like this. So you can add the flour to the water bottle that you have placed inside the opening of your balloon. And you may need a little bit of patience as you're waiting for the flour to funnel into your balloon. So we suggest maybe finding a pen or a pencil that you have nearby to kind of help direct the flour into the balloon. Okay, luego vamos a poner la arena en la botella que está conectada al globo así. Y es posible que se tiene que tener paciencia para la arena canalizar al globo, pero se puede usar un bolígrafo o un lápiz para ayudar al proceso, para llenar el globo con la arena. Así. Y después vamos a remover el globo de la botella.
McKenna, estoy viendo. I'm seeing just a little slower. So let's slow. We'll repeat this one more time.
Okay. So first, what we're going to do, as I just went over, we're going to take the mouth of the water bottle that you've cut and place it inside the opening of your balloon. So it's connected and it forms like a funnel into your balloon. Primero vamos a poner la boca de la botella que hemos cortado en la abertura del globo para llenar el globo con la arena. Luego, después de este paso, vamos a poner la arena dentro del embudo o la botella que está aquí para mover la arena dentro del globo. Y se puede usar un lápiz o bolígrafo para ayudar al proceso porque es un poquito despacio. You can use a pen or a pencil to help direct the flour into your balloon because it takes a little time for it to pass through the funnel. So that can help speed up the process for you. And once you've added all of your flour to your funnel and it's inside your balloon, then we're ready to take the balloon off of the water bottle. And these steps do require some assistance for little ones. So just note there might be some flour going everywhere, so it can create a little bit of a mess.
And so we'll leave about a minute or two right now so that everyone can take a second to get those steps done. So putting the mouth of the bottle into the balloon, putting the flour into the bottle and helping it move down slowly. And as you can see, my balloon is filling up a little bit with the flour. So vamos a dejar unos minutos para que pueden terminar estos pasos y poner la harina adentro del globo. Quiero estar seguro que todos tienen tiempo para hacer este paso. I want to be sure that everyone has time to do this step.
If anyone needs help or has questions, you can write in the chat and let us know.
Si hay preguntas, puedes ponerlo en el chat.
I'll show you really quickly how to create a funnel with paper. Para crear un embudo con papel, se puede hacer el papel así y luego poner la arena encima de esto y tratar de ponerlo en el globo o usar algo, una forma de cualquier tipo de botella que tienen en casa.
Okay. Vamos a continuar. We're going to continue. Por favor, avísame si necesitas un poquito de tiempo. Please let me know if you need a little bit more time. Ahorita es tiempo para amarrar tu globo para ponerlo seguro. Entonces, vas a quitar el globo con cuidado. Y aquí me voy a dejar que todo la harina está dentro. I'm going to make sure that all of the flour is inside. And you can kind of feel it's squishy. Puedes verlo, puedes tocarlo aquí. And now it's time to tie it. Para amarrar tu globo. So tie your balloon just as you would tie any other balloon. And now you have your stress ball. Y ahorita tienes tu globo de estrés. Y mucho harina and a lot of flour everywhere. And so, I'm just looking at the time. Okay. And now we're going to practice using it. Y ahorita vamos a practicar usando el globo de estrés. First, we're going to pretend like we are an angry lion using the stress ball. How do we think an angry lion would use it? Primero vamos a practicar usando como un león enojado. ¿Cómo piensan que un león enojado va a usar este globo de estrés? We'll take a minute to practice.
You can make animal noises, roar like a lion, like an angry lion.
Now, we're going to practice using it like a sad elephant. Ahorita vamos a practicar usando como un elefante triste. And yes, like McKenna said, you can make animal noises. What do we think a sad elephant would sound like? Si también puedes usar los sonidos de animales que piensan que un elefante triste, ¿cómo se suena? And last, but certainly not least, we're going to practice it using it like an excited monkey. How do we think an excited monkey would use a stress ball? ¡Wee! Ahorita vamos a practicarlo usando como un mono alegre. And I'm seeing in the chat, can I ask, did you add water to flour? No water, just flour. So we just used flour. The water bottle was was what we used as a funnel. Thank you for asking, Charlie. Entonces, practicando usando como un mono alegre. ¡Wii! Tal vez squeeze. And so you can use this in a lot of different ways. Puedes usar este globo de estrés en muchas diferentes maneras. Voy a pasarlo a McKenna para que ella pueda explicar. I'm going to pass it to McKenna so she can explain.
Yes, stress balls can be used to help support emotion regulation for children, reduce stress, anxiety, and also help strengthen motor skills and concentration. When we tense our muscles and relax the muscles in our hand, it helps to calm our bodies down. And when we're focusing on this stress ball, it can also help us regulate our emotions because we're bringing ourselves back to the present moment and grounding ourselves. And so when children experience intense, big feelings, this can help them kind of calm their emotions as well as they focus on this and ground themselves. Los globos de estrés pueden ayudar a regular las emociones, bajar el estrés y ansiedad, y también puede ayudar con el desarrollo de las habilidades motora gruesa o el movimiento del cuerpo, dedos y músculos, y también puede mejorar la concentración, como cuando estamos tensando y relajando los músculos en nuestra mano, puede ayudar a calmar nuestro cuerpo, y también enfocándonos en la pelota o el globo de estrés es una forma de atención plena y puede ayudar a regular nuestras emociones. Cuando los niños tienen sentimientos intensos o después de un incidente estresante. If you would like more information about the Early Childhood Wellbeing Project, please call us at 310-451-9747. It's on your handout, and we also included our flyer for you as well.